Hello loves, welcome to Uniekmakes by Cristina. Today I have a collective haul of goodies. I found a new bead shop that I bought some stuff from. I have some stuff from Pink in Maine and Pink Fresh Studio. So let's go ahead and get into this. So the first thing I want to share with you, I ordered from a bead shop called Bead 10. Now the way I came across this one is I was looking online on Michael's and there were some beads that I liked, and when I went to order, the shipping was crazy. So what I ended up doing is checking out the site that it came from, the buyer. And the shipping wasn't that bad when I bought it from them, from their shop. But it was expensive when I bought it from Michael's because there was extra fees. But let's go ahead and let me show you what I bought from Bead 10. Look at this pile of goodies. Now I was in search for Halloween because I am searching for Halloween for my stash. So like I said, I was shopping on Michael's, but I came across this other shop, and it's not expensive. There goes the name, Bead 10. So I did buy some black beads, different sizes. I bought some purples, different types of greens. I bought a pink, a skull. Like I said, I was in search for Halloween. So the first thing I want to share is this one, which is the skull bead, and you get 500 pieces, and I believe nothing was really more than maybe $4, $3.99 give or take. I will link the shop below so you could go ahead and check them out. But look at these. So I got some skull beads, and the hole runs up and down. Look at that, and it is a big hole. Look at that. I got that for crafting. I got those. I will put the prices in the video so you can see how much it was. I got these green, dark green seed beads, and you do get 1,000. So nice. Real nice. And this is actually made in the USA, so that's actually awesome. And these are 4mm. The skull is 11mm. Okay. And then I did get these pearlescent type beads, or lime pearl beads, and these are 8mm, and you get 300 pieces. Look at that. So pretty. Let me see if they fit on the beadable pen. Because with the small beads, I like ending my beadable pens with. Yeah, look, they do fit. So if they fit this, they'll fit the beadable pen. So I got that one. Like I said, you get 300. Alright, so I did get another 8mm, and I have it in purple pearl. Look at that. Love it. And this was a dark. They have different shades of purple, so love that. And then I also got the seed beads. This one you get 1,000, and these are 4mm. Look at that. Real nice. Like using those for spacers. And then I also got it in 6mm. Now this is a little lighter than this one. Okay. And this one you get 500. Look at that. 500. I got those. And then I also noticed they had some bats. And this one you get 24 pieces. Now I know you can find these on Amazon, but they're super expensive. These were not that bad. And look, they do got a big hole and it runs up and down. Real nice. Love that. Like I said, you got 24. That'll be nice for crafting. And then I also got some orange pearl, 5mm orange. Which is real nice. I wanted to get some bigger ones because I really love the color. Look at that. Love it. Love. And then I got some 6am pink. And you get 500. You can beat that. That's actually a really good deal. And then this is another 5mm, and this is black. You also get, this one you get 700 pieces. Look at that. Love it. Love. Let me see. I believe these also can fit on the ends of this pokey tool. Let's find out. Yeah, look at that. That even fits there. So it's a big hole. So I love that. I'm going to, they have other stuff there, so I want to check out, get some more stuff out of there. And then I did get this in 6mm, and it comes with 500 pieces. And then of course I found some black bats. I believe they have witches on there also. They got pony beads. They got all kinds of beads. Look at that. Really nice. And like I said, it will fit in a pokey because of the big hole that it has. Oh, really nice. And this one you get 24 pieces. So I will definitely link this shop below. And like I said, it is made in America, so it's fast shipping. And yeah, we gotta check them out. It's actually pretty nice. So the next thing I want to share with you is my Pink Fresh Studio. Okay, now this one is actually one of the weekly deals that they have. And with this, you had to buy the stamp, which I love their deals. And this stamp is called Art Deco for Arc. And this is one of those rubber stamps, the red ones. So if you bought this, you end up getting, you buy this and I believe one more item, and then you got, let me look what the deal was. And over, you bought the rubber stamp. I believe you get the plate, and I want to say the stencil for free. Now this was extra. I just bought an extra, something like that. They had a deal. I don't know what exactly, but I know I got 2 things of it free, and these were only like $12 each or something like that. I forgot how the deal went. It was either $33. I think it was 30. You buy. Okay, the next thing I want to share with you is from Pink and Fresh. This is part of their weekly deal promos that they have. So if you would have bought, I think they had this, definitely the stamp, and I believe the die, and you would have got the plate and a stencil for free. All right, so that's not that bad. That's a really good deal. So this one's called Art Deco Floral Arc, and that's what it makes. And this is a red rubber stamp. I also, of course, got the cutting plate for it so that I don't have to fussy cut. And then this is also the press plate for it. You can add some shimmer. And then of course I have the stencil. Really, really nice. So I got that. And then the next thing I want to share is my pink and Maine. I have the subscription for the foils. So let me show you what I got for the pink and Maine. So the first one is you have the sheer foil, transfer foil, and it's like the ocean. That's actually really pretty. Now I saw the video, so I knew what I was getting. But look at that. How pretty is that? So nice. And this is a subscription, so I get the subscription plan with that. So I have that, and then what comes with it. So it has some beach sentiments, which you get 2 of each design, and there are 4 by 5 1/4. I got that one. Then you got beach mode, worry less. See, life is better at the beach. Life is better in flip-flops. Love you to the beach and back. Salty kisses and starfish wishes. Sandy toes and sun kiss nose. That is so cute. Too bad I burn, so I don't tan, I actually burn. And then this one is the Ride the Waves foilable sheets. This is a whole panel. Let's look at these. Now what's awesome about the foilables is the ones that are, okay, so you have the one that is mainly white with the black. That, wherever the black is, will get foil, okay? So you'll foil that, and instead of wasting the leftover, you use it on this one. And you can foil this one, and it'll use the negative. So one is positive, one's negative, if that makes sense. So in other words, you're not going to waste your foils. So look at that. How pretty are these? That's why you get a dark and a white one. Really nice. And then you get this one. And then that one. Love it. Love it all. Love it all. And then the last one is, oh, this one's my favorite. Look at that. Real nice. Love, love, love. So that's all for my little haul I want to share with you. Make sure you like the video, subscribe if you haven't. I sure would love to have you part of my Crafty family. Hit the notifications so you don't ever miss a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.